Hello guys, previously I introduced the function of Copilot in different Microsoft applications like Outlook, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. In fact, the free Copilot features in Teams is already quite helpful in work. But for today, I would like to share more on how we can utilize the subscribed M365 Copilot features in Teams. Before that, I'd like to share with you the main features of Copilot first. Although there are various AI tools out there in the market, such as POE, DeepSeek, and Grok, the biggest feature of the Copilot is that it has already been connected to our cloud and the Microsoft applications we are currently using. In other words, our instruction can interact with the file in our cloud. Let me show you how it works in Teams. For example, let's say I have a document that introduces a solution defending against phishing emails for the Defender for Office 365. I can directly type / in the conversation field and entering some keywords to search for that document. Then, I can have Copilot translate this document into Chinese for me. Besides, I can also attach two different versions of the document and let Copilot analyze which version is better or provide additional suggestions for me to revise. Apart from that, since Copilot is connected to our Outlook, chat, and all group messages, we can always ask Copilot for any relevant information in our database. For example, if I want to know what urgent cases need to be handled, or the progress of certain projects so I can follow up quickly after my holidays, I just need to send out the instruction and wait for it. Last but not least, Copilot can also serve as an AI assistant during or after our Teams meetings. In the past, when we join in a Teams meeting, we always have to ask someone to jot down the meeting notes. But we're just human beings. Making mistakes is inevitable. It's also hard for humans to stay focused all the time to capture all the meeting content accurately. However, Copilot can assist us with this. During or after a meeting, we can always use Copilot to organize the detailed content of that meeting. Simply go to the chat section, find the conversation window for that specific meeting, and click the Copilot button in the top right corner. Then type recap. Copilot will provide a detailed summary of the entire meeting. We can even ask follow-up questions such as what discussed item haven't been followed up on, or we can ask Copilot to provide some ideas to enrich the discussion during the meeting. Alright, I hope you find this sharing interesting to you. If you want to learn more about Copilot, please stay tuned to our new updates. See you next time.